we can start. So I have the pleasure of having Mr. Pani, who is a municipal commissioner of Rajkot, and Rajkot is taking a lot of steps to become a smart city. So I will request him to highlight on the occasion of the smart city Rajkot being organized and the Honorable CM inaugurating the program today, his vision for the smart city Rajkot.
Rajkot Smart City is already launched, and today actually the area-based development was being launched by Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, and this is a very important stage in Rajkot's history because Rajkot we have already started highway project, Rajkot highway project, whereby installations of around 1000 CCTV cameras on the way. The integrated command and control center is already ready. There are several things which we are monitoring through the integrated command and control center. One is of course the crime in the city. Second is the traffic situation. Third is the solid waste management vehicles. They are being tracked every minute, so where they are going, and if they are missing any point or entire route, accordingly they are penalized from the integrated command and control center itself. There is drainage SCADA and water SCADA. In water SCADA, this is crucial because we know where and which zones are using how much of extra water and how the water is being managed in the city. Then apart from that, there are many things that we are also doing. There are around 9 sectors and 24 parameters which are being monitored from the integrated command and control center. After 150 years of existence of Rajkot city, for the first time a new lake is being developed, and that is one of the 3 lakes which are there in the area based scheme of the smart city. We are developing 36 lakh square meters of land in the area based development as a greenfield development, one of the very few greenfield developments in the entire country smart city vision. And Rajkot smart city, this greenfield will be one of the best in the country. That is because out of these 30 lakh square meters, 10 lakh square meter is the land which is being available to the Rajkot Municipal Corporation, which is almost to the tune of 2000 to 2500 crore. Now, apart from receiving funds from the smart city mission of Government of India and state government and municipal corporations here, we are also trying to see how we can finance the smart cities. As far as the entire area based development is concerned, for the first time we are developing a green city that will integrate all the 3 lakes of the city, and all the entire area will be developed on the basis of transit oriented zone, that is called TOZ. Okay. And there will be high skyscrapers. 4 FSI is granted. Almost 8 kilometers of BRTS track is planned, and all the city is linked through that. Now the new airport is coming, new bus port is there, and we are linking this smart city new zone, new Rajkot, to this airport, new airport which is coming, new bus port and new railway station. So that is how it is being developed as a transit oriented zone also. And in future we want to give the best possible services, whether it is smart roads, whether it is smart infrastructure. That includes, so far entire Saurashtra we don't have a management convention center. Okay. So management convention center, which will be around 350 crores, which will also have exhibition center, art center and everything, that will be one of the best in the entire Saurashtra. There will also be a foldable sports arena, which will be one of its kind in the country, and that will encourage and process the best possible players of this region for the national and international games and sports. Apart from that, we have also planned complete development of the quality of life of people by developing big gardens which are bigger. The new race course will one of the bigger gardens that we have seen. So basically, if you see the kind of development which are proposed and planned, which will just get to see the light of the day immediately, are being planned and being executed properly. Rajkot Smart City on its way to achieve that glory in the sky again. Thank you. Thank you.
Just wanted to have one more question that a lot of all these projects require a lot of finance. How will that come?
So that is what I told you. One is the Smart City Fund, which is available to us, and second, we are having our own town planning scheme. So 10 lakh square meter land is being available to Rajkot Municipal Corporation. It can sell its land. We have identified sellable land for residential as well as commercial areas. So we'll be getting revenue from these sources. The second is we want to develop everything on a public-private participation mode, so that we not only develop the infrastructure but also generate revenues. And once we generate revenues, that will be again used for the other infrastructures, the other projects. So that is how we are going to finance the Rajkot Smart City.
So, ILETS has been like organizing these conferences in smart cities all over the country, and this is like the 32nd smart city conference. So, what is the thing that what is achieved out of organizing these conferences, and we bring out these special issues in the at these conferences? So,
No.
Your suggestions?
We are very happy that ILETS is organizing Smart City mission, seminars, conferences, expos, and award workshops and all. The main thing for Smart City mission is not just finance, not just infrastructure, not just technology. It is also a behavioral change. It is also how you look at things. So basically, to have that kind of a vision, to have that kind of a behavioral change, I think these Smart City seminars and conferences are very much needed. There has to be a paradigm shift first, and after that it has to be executed. So ILETS, I congratulate ILETS for organizing this 32nd conference here at Rajkot. At the same point of time, I wish that more and more such conferences are to be managed, and more people are attuned to a new way of looking at how urban governance, urban areas are managed in the country. If you see, 50% of the population resides in urban areas. More than 70% of GDP comes out of urban areas, and the challenges and the complexities of the urban problems, if you see, are very, very much, and people are very aware. So we have to address these concerns of the people. We have to give the best possible services to the people, and in this endeavor, I think not only government but also private sector, people like ILETS, who surely their help is commendable as far as these seminars, workshops and conferences are concerned. And a new way of life, a new lease of life, a new way of looking at things, how urban problems are being managed, is being done by these seminars and workshops.
Thank you.
Thank you.